What's up guys, in this video let's check out the structural durability and body strength of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The all metal and glass built Galaxy Note 8 is 195 grams in weight, and in hand it does feel solid and a bit heavy. Heavier phones are an indication to better structural integrity and build quality, so I expect it to pass a bend test quite easily, as the Note 8 is arguably the best flagship level smartphone of 2017. As usual, let's start things off with a display scratch test, rubbing it with common items like keys, coins, SIM ejaculator pin and the box cutter. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 production, so it is supposed to survive the scratch test, though after performing many tests on the channel, I have noticed that even Gorilla Glass has resulted in permanent faint scratches on some devices due to jagged edges on the keys and coins. Well, this time the Gorilla Glass 5 has survived the test with no scratches whatsoever. But to be honest, I did get some faint scratches on it from regular use. So best is to always use a tempered glass to protect this expensive all-glass device from bad destructive drops and scratches over time. Now moving on to the bend test, all Samsung phones tested on the channel has passed the test without it suffering any damage. So let's see if the Note 8, a Samsung flagship, can survive the bend force, the one which caused kinks to develop in some devices on the channel. The flagship Galaxy Note 8 has proved its superior structural strength since it had minimal to no flex from either the front or the back, as you just witnessed. Samsung has proved that it makes super strong phones, budget or flagship, as far as structural strength goes. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff like blind camera comparisons and the 10-hour Coca-Cola freeze test. Make sure to press like. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.